Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy. Today we're going to be working on Unit 2, Lesson 5. Let's get started. Our objective for today is to compare efficiency of counting on and making 10 when one addend is 9. So we're going to be looking at two different strategies, counting on and making 10, to see which one is quicker, which one makes sense to use. So we have these two here. And if you look at this number bond, 9 plus 6, or look at this one, 10 plus 5, which number bond is easier to solve? Which one would be easier, 9 plus 6 or 10 plus 5? 10 plus 5 would be easier because we know our 10 plus facts. So anything plus 10 is that number with a 1 in front of it. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 3 equals 13, right? So those facts are really quick when you add it plus 10. So let's look at this problem. 9 plus 6 equals. So first we're going to count on, because that is one strategy that we use. So we're going to start with 9. I always say 9 in your head. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. We got 6. So 15, okay? If we were writing that on paper, it would look like this. We'll start with 9. Then we would say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 plus 7 equals 16. But why do I feel like it was 9 plus? 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So see how that kind of took a little while to do? Now let's look at if we were going to do it with our 10. So 9 plus 6 is equal to, the answer is the same as 10 plus 5. Let's look at this problem. Sergio and Lila were getting ready to go to recess. They both had to solve 9 plus 8. The first one to solve it got to go to recess first. Sergio decided he was going to count on to solve it. Was there another way that to solve 9 plus 8 that Sergio could have used? He could have made a 10. That's what Lila decided to do. So this is Sergio's number bond, and he did 9 plus 8, and he counted up. So he said 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's how he solved his. And this is Lila's number bond, where she said, okay, well, we can have 10 and 7. Because remember, 9 plus 8, remember we did this in our last lesson, 9 plus 8, we can break this 8 down into a 1 and a 7. And this 1 plus 9 equals 10 plus 7. Okay? So that is what Lila decided to do. This is how she solved her problem. And she got 10 plus 7 equals 17, because our 10 plus facts are so quick. Okay. Okie dokie. Here we go. So that was Lila's. So based on the number bonds, I agree that I think that Lila would go to recess first because making a 10 is quicker than counting up. Let's look at this one, 9 plus 2. Okay, here's our next problem, 9 plus 2. Let's count on to solve 9 plus 2. 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 1. Let me show you on my board. Nine plus 2, got 9 plus 2, and remember that for 9 to get to 10, we only need one more. So we can do a 1 and then another 1 to get 2. So 9 and 1 gives us 10. And then we still have 1 left. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. Okay? That's how you would write it down if you were writing it on paper. So we have 9 plus 2 here equals 11, or you have 10 plus 1 equals 11. Let's look at this problem, 9 plus 9. Let's count on to solve 9 plus 9. Say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Or we can write it down on our notebook. And we'll do, problem is 9 plus 9. And so we only need one more to get to 10. And then if we take 1 from 9, we have 8 left. Okay? So now we have 9 and 1 gives us 10 plus 8 equals 18. Very good. Back to our PowerPoints. So we have 9 plus 9 equals 18, or we have 10 plus 8. Okay. I'm going to show you one more, just make sure we got it. Let's say we have 9 plus 6. Okay? 9 plus 6. So we can break our 6 up into a 1 and a 5. And we can put the 9 and the 1 together to equal 10 plus, what do we have left? 5. And then 10 plus 5 equals 15. Nice job, friends. All right, that's all for today. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.